Like that would be awesome, right? That would be so fucking cool. Um, Labor market implications. 2 to 3 year window isn't mass unemployment, but it's mass role redefinition. Entry level knowledge work gets hollowed out fastest, right? So that's not a good thing for new grads. Um, how juniors become senior? How do juniors become seniors when AI does the junior work, right? That is a question. That is the most underrated economic question of the decade. And that's a content gold mine for someone in career coaching. See? It knows me well. It knows the context well. And that's exactly right, right? Um, what happens when your seniors are the only people that you need, right? What happens when you no longer need juniors and there is no more progression in your career from a junior to a senior, right? So really, I think the takeaway there is what are the things that you could be doing now to get you to that senior level or to produce that senior level of work? Like that's kind of like the way you turn that around, right? How do you make yourself a senior as quickly as possible? Excuse me. So thanks for that prompt, guys. That was a good prompt. So that one was basically, so the prompt that we started with was basically talking about what will AI be like in 2 to 3 years. So if there's another prompt that you want to work on, let me know. AJ over on YouTube says, I think a repo called Vouch is a similar implementation of the verification layer, a community trust management system that vouches for people's skills. It's aimed at open source developers. That's interesting. That is interesting. Okay. Um, I don't know, AJ. For me, I think that it could be a little bit easier than that, right? Like one of the things, I'll give you guys some advice, for some of you that are maybe a little bit earlier in your career or whatnot. One of the things that I have learned in my career is that your reputation matters, your name matters, right? So one of the things that I think about is, or one of the things that I've done with my social media since I started is that my full name is out there, right? I don't hide behind a screen name.